Hello guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today's video is gonna be all about my January favorites. January, as you guys know, is like the world's longest month, and it's almost over, thank God. So I just wanted to share with you guys a lot of the products that I got and that I have really been enjoying, or that I have really honestly been enjoying for a longer time than just the month of January, but I haven't had a chance to share that with you guys and just let you know how I feel. So if you want to see which products made the list this month, then of course stay tuned. However, before all of that happens, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Twitter and Instagram. Those are going to come up somewhere around here because you know you want to. And yeah, let's jump right into today's video. First, for my favorites, I'm just going to start off with like some skincare type of products type of thing. I think I've talked about this before. As you can tell, it's done. It's done. I'm on my last leg of this toner, but this is the Body Shop's Vitamin E Hydrating Toner, and just honest to God, when I say that this thing really hydrates, it hydrates the hell out of your skin, especially if you live in a cold climate, you know, like I currently am right now. Even though I do have oily skin, I still need that hydration to keep me going because my skin just gets worse if it's not hydrated. This here has just been godsend. I love it. It's amazing. If you don't have it, please go get it. They do sell this at Ulta. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say because this is just amazing. It speaks for itself. Then on my quest for hydration, I have really been liking this Tatcha Deep Cleanse cleanser, I guess you could call it. This is super like amazing because it's so hydrating. It definitely cleans your skin, and then because it has the like loofah fruit extracts in it, it basically also what's it called, exfoliates your skin like every time you use it, but in a very like soft, gentle way. I just, Tatcha can do no wrong, and this is an amazing product. I definitely plan on buying the bigger version of this very soon. I actually got this for free in a like thing that Tatcha was doing, but I want to get the big one. I keep saying I'm gonna get it, but then this one just never finishes, so I'm like, why am I about to buy this? But this is actually like about to be done. It's like on its last squeeze, but this is great. We're gonna jump into a product that I initially did not want to use because I was like, I don't need this. This has oil in it. This is gonna be bad for my skin that's already so oily. And this is the Pixi Glow Mist with Propolis and Argan Oil Nourishing Mist. Wow, Butterfingers. I've had this product since like May of last year. Never used it because I got it in a kit with the Pixi toner that I really like. And I was like, what do I need this for? This is not gonna be for me, blah, blah, blah. However, I don't know, something just hit me and I started using it and I'm freaking obsessed. I've only been using this for, let's say, like 2.5 weeks, and look at how much of it I've used. I absolutely love this, especially when I'm like not wearing makeup and I just want my skin to look glowy and fresh and just alive. This is it. Like, preach. This product here, you need it in your life. Then we have this Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I actually really was skeptical about this product. However, I have really been enjoying it. I do think it does what it says. It does blur your skin. And even right now, it's the only primer that I'm wearing underneath my face right now. And I think that my skin looks so nice and my pores are blurred. This just really does what it says it does. I'm not gonna lie, I do think it's on the pricey side for the product, but I mean, I guess Farsali's just expensive in general, so you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But that's just a great product all around. The last product related to skin that I'm gonna talk about is this body lotion from Bath and Body Works. Someone gave this to me, and I think this is the flavor Snowflakes and Cashmere. I'm not really sure if these things have names or not, but we'll call it that. I absolutely just love the way that this smells. And for like, whenever I wear this, like people are like, you smell so good. This has just been really, really good. And I think it's like actually really nourishing as well. So it's like a good hand lotion. I love it. It's amazing. What more can I say about a lotion, you know? Also guys, super sorry for sounding so congested, but I went to my friend's house and he has a cat, and this cat I think is out to get me, and right now my allergies just flared up. I didn't even think I was really allergic to cats, but being over there, like after not having gone to his house to hang out for a while, like my allergies are just through the roof right now. But we're gonna keep going because that's just what we do around here. The Colored Rain Vivid Pigments shadows have really impressed me a lot in the month of January. And when I open this up, I mean, I know y'all have seen this before. You're gonna be like, how have you been using these colors? And I'm just telling you that this is a great palette, especially if you want to be more bold and go outside of your comfort zone and use a bit more colors. I love this, and I think it's a great companion palette because I know that I love to do a lot of like really neutral looks, but then my under eye, I don't know why I like for it to be a brighter color, to have a pop of color. So I always dig into here to find something to just give my look that extra oomph that I think it needs to go from like, you know, basic to baddie basically. This is just really, really great. And if you've never tried Colored Rain, honestly, you're just sleeping. You're missing out on everything. Not gonna say any more about that. Then I have the Beauty Bakery Cake Mix Foundation. I'm wearing it right now. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I am the shade 17, in case you were wondering. I love this. I did a whole full face Beauty Bakery. This is a really, really great brand, and I think they have a really good like vision and motto, and I just love everything about them. And this foundation is oily girl's best friend. Like, nothing will penetrate this foundation if you're oily. This foundation is amazing. If you can get your hands on it, high key recommend. It looks flawless. Like, I think it's like the most perfect match I've had in a long time. It's just everything. It sets itself. Like, I don't know, this thing is like amazing. It's magic in a bottle. So I'm just gonna stop talking about it because obviously you guys can tell that I'm super excited about this foundation. Okay. Moving on, still touching with face. I know y'all saw this coming. The Fenty Beauty concealer and setting powder. Love it, love it, love it. I swear I haven't put these down since I got them. It's kind of been a problem. I've been telling all my friends who haven't purchased it, you need to purchase it. It's just my favorite. And obviously, so in the concealer, I'm the shade 390. And in the setting powder, I did choose to go with the shade Banana, which I'm very, very happy with. I do plan on buying more shades of the setting powder for different reasons. You know, I want like an all over one, but I do love these products. When it comes to the powder, less is definitely more. Be very light-handed when using this product because it does what it says it's gonna do. So using too much just overkills it and you become cakey. So just a light hand and you'll be happy. I promise you. These products are so amazing. And another Fenty product that I just honestly fell in love with is the Gloss Bomb. This time I have it in the shade Fussy. It's just been a really good gloss. Like, if you're a gloss girl, you're gonna like this Gloss Bomb. And that's really all that there is to it. And my final product is the highlighter from the Patrick Star and Matte Christmas collection. This one is called Baby It's Gold Outside. It's a mineralized skin finish. I'm sorry. It's very, very beautiful. It's like so freaking big, I swear to God. And like just is a beautiful, beautiful oh my gosh. It's a beautiful highlighter, and it just like sits on your face so well. It just blends in and does its job, and it looks like a mineralized skin finish. Like, It's super, super gorgeous. I love it, and I definitely think that it was worth the coins. I didn't pay for it. This was a Christmas gift, but I'm really, really happy that I ended up getting it because I've been wearing this like a lot as well. I just love it, and I thought that it was the best product I could have gotten from all of the Patrick Star collections that I had purchased. That concludes the end of this video. These are all of my January favorites. In January, I really didn't hate any products, so that's why I don't have any products that I didn't like. And yeah, that's it. So before we exit this video, you know what I'm going to ask you to do. You know you want to do it, so you may as well just do it, and that's going to be to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, especially Twitter. I love Twitter. I go off on Twitter, not that often, but I have a lot of fun on Twitter. So if you want to have fun too, you should join me on Twitter. All of that's going to be listed down below. It's going to pop up on the screen. You know how it goes. But besides all of that, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any products that you think I should try out, please let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.